Right now there's probably $20,000 to $30,000 worth of stuff in your apartment or rental house, your furniture, your electronics, your clothes, your bike, whatever. Most of you have zero protection on any of it. And if a fire or a break-in happens next week, you're replacing all of it yourself out of pocket. That's exactly the situation I see walk into my agency in Fridley about 3 times a week. By the time you're done watching this, you'll understand exactly what Minnesota renters insurance covers, why it matters in our climate, and how much it actually costs to protect yourself. Here's the thing about Minnesota that a lot of renters don't think about. Our weather is brutal and unpredictable. Last night, winter, you're dealing with burst pipes and ice dams that cause water damage inside your unit. Talk like spring and summer, we get tornadoes and hailstorms that cause millions of dollars in damage across the Twin Cities every single year. Your landlord's building insurance covers the structure. It does not cover your stuff. That's on you. A standard policy covers 3 things. Number one, your personal property, furniture, electronics, jewelry, clothes, not all of it. And from theft, fire, windstorm, water damage from burst pipes. Number two, liability protection. If someone gets hurt in your apartment or you accidentally damage someone else's property, this covers your legal costs and medical bills. That alone could save you $50,000, $100,000. Number three, additional living expenses. If a fire makes your unit uninhabitable, this pays for your hotel and meals while repairs happen. So, how much does this actually cost? For a typical renter in Minneapolis or the suburbs, you're looking at $15 to $30 a month. That's it. I'm serious. And that includes $100,000 in liability coverage and replacement cost value on your belongings. For most renters, that's the difference between losing everything and walking away okay. Here's what I see all the time. Renters assume their landlord's insurance covers their stuff. It doesn't. Or they think they can't afford it. They can. Or they just never get around to buying it because they think it's complicated. The result is the same every time. Something happens, a break-in, a kitchen fire, water damage, and suddenly someone's out $5, $10, $20,000 they don't have. And by then it's too late. Don't wait for something to happen. Call us right now at 763-733-74